Welcome to Cadmatix. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. In today's video we are going to make the 3D of the small house project using SketchUp software. Let's begin. First I have imported the 2D layout from CAD and drawn faces in order to extrude the walls. Use the push-pull tool to extrude the walls. Usually the height given to walls ranges from 9.5 feet to 12 feet. However, we will be using 10 feet height. Next we draw the roof. Use the rectangle command and click on one corner and then click on opposite corner to make the roof. Time to draw the windows. I have taken the measurements from the CAD file. So, first we will measure the distance and sill level. This is the ventilator in bathroom. The dimension for this is 2 feet length and 1 feet width with 9 inches thickness. This window is for the bedroom. To draw the mirror, click on the midpoint in the center of the window using the rectangle command. Next we will draw the corner window in the kitchen. Usually 7 feet is the height of the window from the floor level. Sill height is 3.5 feet from floor level. Height of doors and windows must be same. Now we will add the materials. First let's paint the glass in the windows. I am painting the space around the window glass black to get a chic and modern look. Now it's time for the walls. I prefer the greyish tone. Now let's take a 1 feet offset from the walls and see how that looks. Whoops! Almost forgot the shades. The shades are extended 2 feet further from the wall. I have imported some blocks from the SketchUp 3D warehouse. Use Scale command to bring the objects to the size you like. This is the final model. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe.